What's up guys, and welcome back to another YouTube video. In today's video we are going to learn how to download YouTube videos using a simple library known as pytube. It's really easy to use module if you want to download YouTube videos or audios or videos with only video format. You can actually use this module to download it really easy and quick. If you want to download MP3 or MIF format in different available resolutions or bitrate, you can actually use this module, and it's really simple to use, and I'll be showing it as fast as possible. Let's go ahead and get started by installing this pytube into our system. So let me just go and hop into my terminal right over here and type in pip3 install pytube and type enter, and it actually install pytube and along with the necessary dependencies for the pytube to work. So there we are. There we go. You can see pytube is successfully installed into our system. So let me just go ahead and get started by downloading some YouTube videos to our system. As you can see, if you go inside the command line interface, you can actually use pytube for different purposes. You can actually use pytube from terminal itself if you wanted. Let me just go and copy and just show this real quick. Just type in pytube along with the URL. Will actually download the best resolution with video and audio only format. So it means go and download this. As you can see, it's loading the video. Alright guys, as you can see, we have already downloaded this video here, and if I go into our home directory, as I have downloaded video there, so let me just go inside my home directory, inside users, inside my home directory, you can see this video right over here. So if I can play this, as you can see, it's a video with audio and video. That's alright. Now I'm going to delete this one. Now if we hop back into this documentation right over here, you can see, if you want to see all the available list of the available streams of this video, you can actually use the dash list format to see the available available streams such as MP3, different bitrate, different resolutions. If you want to see that, just use a tag list to see the available resolutions. So it's just a command line argument. We are not doing anything new in here. If you want to download audio only format, just pass in -a and it will actually download the audio only format. Just show that also a really quick guide over here. So YouTube URL along with a -a will actually download the YouTube audio to your system. We have successfully downloaded the YouTube only audio format into our system. Let me just go and see that here really quick. So just go inside local disks, so users. So as you can see, it's an MP4 video file, but it only contains audio of the video. So as you can see, it's actually only audio mode. There is only audio in this file. So if you want to download it in MP3 format, I will show you that in a moment. Just hop along with me. So get inside Kickstart. Now let's just get into our script mode. Let's go ahead and use Sublime Text. Click on new file, save that file as inside desktop. I will save it as tutorial.py. Save that there. Let's just get this out of here. Close this one. And now inside in here, let's get started by importing from pytube. Import YouTube, and I will say yt is equal to YouTube of, and you must pass the URL in which you are going to download. So inside in here, let me just go and copy and paste this line. So paste it right over there, and now you can see different things that we can actually do with this object. So if you want to get the YouTube title, you can just use it as yt.title, and it will actually print out the title of this YouTube video. If you want to get the thumbnail URL, you can just type in yt.thumbnail_URL, and these are the other function you can use on progress callback. That means while downloading, if you want to call back some function, it will actually necessarily use that. We are actually not interested in that and all, because we are not going to do anything like that. So just first of all get started by printing out the title of this YouTube video. And so as you can see, we got the YouTube title right over here. So now let me just go hop back into this screen, and now going and start filtering streams. And as you can see, if you want to see all the stream type that is available for this YouTube video, you can just type in for stream in yt.streams. I just print out stream, and if I run this, so guys, after some time it will actually return something like this. So if you have a really good fast high speed internet connection and all, it will actually necessarily happen in within like 2 or 3 seconds. So as you can see, different available formats in different type. It is video on MP3 format with a resolution of 1080, and actually you can see it's progressive is fast. So what is progressive? Progressive means that this stream contains only video. That is the meaning of progressive is fast. If the stream is progressive is equal to true, then actually this stream contains audio as well as video necessary to get downloaded. As you can see, some of them has progressive true. That means this streams contains audio as well as video. So if you want to have the highest resolution, it may not necessarily mean that there will be audio for that stream. So generally you have to download audio and video separately, and you can merge it together in a file if you want to get audio and video in a single file. So you can see it actually shows the FPS, resolution, and the format you can download. WebM as well as MB4 is currently available, and you can actually see the bitrate for the audio only format. This is only audio only format. So let me just show you how to use this method to filter the content out of this and download as user specifies. So you can just use this function known as filter yt.stream.filter, and you can actually refer this list over here. So you can just go ahead and download progressive equal to false, or let me just go and download progressive equal to true. Oh, not a problem. You can just download, I'm just going to download resolution is equal to 720p dot download. Necessarily that should work, I think. So it doesn't work, so let's go on and refer the documentation real quick. So streams yt.streams.filter, I think so. So yes, yt.streams.filter. So the thing is that it's taking really longer than expected, so just go and stop this and get the shortest video possible from YouTube to download and demonstrate this module. So shortest video from YouTube, and well, shortest video, let me just grab this one. So you can see it has a URL youtube.com/watch. Let's close this one and try using this. Place it right over there and click download, and it actually download as fast as possible. So guys, I have made a little mistake over here, so you have to pass on first before you download. So I have to run that again and download the resolution 720p. So guys, I'm really sorry that I actually changed this YouTube URL because that video was really short to be even seen. So I just replaced it with another YouTube URL. But the thing is that it doesn't support 720p. That's why it is turned like non-type, doesn't have any attribute download. So for that, first of all, we have to check for the streams currently available for this video. So I'll say for stream in byte.streams and just print out the streams and see the available stream formats available for this video and actually select from that. So all right guys, here we have returned all the available resolutions for this video. As you can see, it doesn't go more than 480 pixels, so that means that's why I didn't get the 720 pixel, and actually thus it returned none type. So going back into this and actually passing, instead of 720 I'm going to pass 480. So it is progressive, it's not progressive as it says right over here, progressive false. And you can download it by saying 480p and running that. So guys, you can see the video has been downloaded. So you can see it doesn't contain audio and it's in 480p resolution. So I'm just gonna delete this and actually show you how to download only audio format. So you can just pass only underscore audio is equal to true, and you actually only download the only audio format to your desktop. And also you can pass the bitrate is equal to and such things from the stream object that you have been seen, stream list that you have already seen. So, and also you can actually change this to progressive is equal to true to download the videos containing audio as well as videos. So if you want 1080p video along with audio and video, you must probably need to download audio and video in separate format for separate files and merge it together in order to get 1080p audio and video together, I think so. So there are no other method currently existing. So that's it for this video. Please make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me. So the part 2 of this video will be coming up real soon, so stay tuned. That video contains how to download Spotify playlist using this very same module, and also the third part of that video will contain how to download 1080p videos and merge it together and create a new video which has audio as well as video in the higher resolution format such as 4K and 480p. So what is it? Ciao.